I wanted to start the year with a bang, and here it is. It's number 33 Canberra Drive in Ashgrove. Big, bold, family home, 2 levels, northeast facing, and it's a corner position. The home was built around 1927, and it retains a lot of the character and original features. You'll find 4 bedrooms on this top level. The home has been recently and carefully renovated. The main family bathroom features brass tapware, stone basins, and a freestanding stone bath. The best thing about this home, of course, is this area. My sellers love entertaining their family and friends here because of this lovely corner position and the green leafy aspect. That kitchen has been recently beautifully updated. It all flows out to a private deck that overlooks that fabulous swimming pool. Downstairs is really contemporary and hardy for the kids and the teenagers. You'll also find the 5th bedroom and a bathroom. It all flows out to that big barbecue entertaining area that connects so beautifully with the family-sized swimming pool. Such a pretty, well-maintained home, but it's also about the suburb of Ashgrove because you've got the Oakley State School. It's just here in the next street, walking distance to Marist and Mount St Michael's. It's really family heaven. Come and see me very soon.